We're Dream Car Giveaways, and now's your chance to win one of our project cars, this classic Porsche 911. So on the outside of this car, we've given it a full glass out respray in Porsche Maritime blue, which I'm sure you'll agree looks absolutely stunning on this example. We haven't just stopped there though, we've given it the RS Cup alloys, and of course, as normal, we've lowered it. So we didn't just stop at the cosmetic side of this car, we also went through it mechanically. At the front, all new steering arms, bushings, anything it needed. At the back, new exhaust system, heat exchangers, and reinstated all of the defrosting system. They're common to go on these, so that's all been done. And then to finish it off, secret source alignment, and this thing drives amazingly, just as good as it looks. So on the inside of this car, it's far from standard. We've got a full safety devices roll cage, we've got Corbeau bucket seats, a Momo steering wheel with a snap-off boss, and reupholstered with all this lovely, would you call it Burberry? I'd probably call it Burberry. And it's got a real club sport kind of vibe. I absolutely love it. It looks so cool, really contemporary. You could win our Project 911 for just £6.89 on launch sale. If you win the car, you get £1,500 cash with it, or there's a cash alternative of £32,500. Head over to our page dreamcargiveaways.co.uk to be in with a chance of winning. Good luck!